Hi there and welcome to another episode of Andy Robinson RC. We're here down at Fairhaven Lake again to give the brand new 2021 Tamiya Fighter Buggy RX Memorial Edition car. Now if you saw our previous video, we had the unboxing and this is what it looks like now that it's all completed, and we've managed to put on the extra parts and things that we said we were going to do to it. The only thing that didn't arrive in time was the core RC motor for it, so we are running the stock kit silver can that came with it, which is just a 540 can. Now it would have been nice if Tamiya had put the torque tuned in, I think being it's for the 25th anniversary edition car, but not to worry. So what have we done that's slightly different? Now from the original kit, it does pretty much look like that, apart from I have put on the rear Mad Fighter gearbox, if you can get one, which is all clear, and you've got the internal gears which are coloured. Now these only came on the first edition Mad Fighters or the red metallic edition Mad Bulls, but I found one of these and I decided to put it on this, and I think you'll agree it sort of suits the car rather nicely, especially with the red spur gear, picks up the metallic red, and we've also put some nice little red wheel nuts on it. Tyres, I've ditched the kit ones and I've gone for some Schumacher Racing green mini spikes on the front, and cut staggers, green mini spikes on the rear and green cut staggers on the front. We fully ball raced it, and I've got the Trackstar servo in there. So other than that, apart from those few little changes just to make it a little different, it's pretty much as it is out the box. Now when I was building it, I did notice that the chassis is stamped 1991, which incidentally was before the Fighter Buggy came out, and it was dated for when the Rookie Rabbit was first made, so that was a bit interesting. Also, just before we started filming this, we had a small disaster. When you're building this up, when you put your servo saver on, make sure you put a washer under the screw, else it will just pop off, which I found out just before we started this filming. So that's been sorted now. There's some ingenious thinking by my wife and a plastic straw. Anyway, oh yeah, I did mention as well, this has got obviously the oil filled shocks, which the original Fighter Buggy RX didn't have. So anyway, I'm going to stop going on about it now, and we're going to run it and see how it gets on. So we'll put this down. Also as well, if you saw our last video, you might remember that Evelyn has brought her Grasshopper 2 along with her. So there we go, and we're going to give that a run today, aren't we?
Yeah.
Yep, so we've got it all ready. It's all finished off in that rose pink colour we did, and it's got all our unicorn stickers on. So we're going to give it a little go today and see how it drives, yeah? Okay then, let's go. So let's pull your oil up just a little bit. Okay. Right, so let's go. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Go. So yeah, it goes pretty much as expected. So I mean, as you can see, if you open it up, top speed isn't incredible, it's just on that 540 can, but it goes nicely enough, and those oil shocks really do help over the old friction ones you used to get. But it's pretty lively and looks good in the sun. So yeah, I think it would have been a bit nicer if it's got that core motor in, but we didn't. But other than that, it goes really well. Those tyres are nice and grippy. It's a much softer compound than the kit ones you get, and you know, turning is quite good as well. You've got to remember this is such a basic fun kit that's aimed at beginners. And of course, they used to use this in the Fighter Buggy Cup in Germany. How's your car going, Evelyn? You driving it? Oh, I've binned it. There you go. Yeah. So you've got all this green space and still manage to hit each other. How does that work? So yeah, it goes really well. I'm pretty pleased with that. Ooh. Oh yeah. So we'll give it one more blast and then we'll probably call it a day. So we'll take it all the way over there and we'll bring it back. But yeah, very pleased with this. Looks good as well. Okay, so we'll just wrap this one up. So yeah, very pleased with that. Drives nicely. It'd be nice to get the other motor in it and see it going a little bit quicker, but you know, it doesn't really need it on one car like this. So there you go, that is the 2021 Tamiya Fighter Buggy RX Memorial, and yeah, rather liking that one, looks smart. Okay, so cheers for checking this running video out. Got your car as well, was that good? Okay, yeah, cheers for checking this video out, muchly appreciated. If you haven't already, please consider subscribing to our channel and see more RC content from us. We've got loads more stuff coming up. And also as well, if you hit that like and notification bell, that'd be also much appreciated. Right, see you later and take care. Bye.